Hey, J-Bros popping in. Just want to kind of give you guys a reminder that I'm going to go ahead wash my machine up. I've washed it maybe once, but just letting you know how important it is. No matter what type of machine it is, it's always good to keep your unit clean. Plus, when you clean it, gives you an opportunity to do a walk around your unit. You know, check your fittings. You know, it's just a good practice to get into keeping your unit clean. Right now my unit is pretty darn dirty. I just need to lightly clean all this crap off. Everything looks pretty legit here. Yeah, more or less it's just a opportunity for me to remind you guys, take care of your machine, do your maintenance, keep it clean, and yeah, let's get into it. Probably helps to turn the water on. As always, got my Dawn power wash to clean that grease off. Yeah, as you guys know, it doesn't take hardly any time whatsoever. It's just, like I said, it's just a good habit to get into. And of course, like I said, I just do not like grease at all. All it does is collect dirt, and yeah, there we go. Look at how clean that is going to be when I get done here. There we go, just like that. It's all cleaned up. Oh shoot, missed a spot right there. God darn it, I'm gonna have to touch that up. When you're spraying on the inside here, just don't get crazy and go hardcore on your electronics. I'm kind of just spraying on the edges just to dampen stuff up, and then I'll just give it a wipe down. On this side here, I was just hitting that extra fan because that thing was super dirty, and then I'm just hitting up the inside of the hood. There we go. The rig's all cleaned up, all touched up. Nothing looked overly suspicious, so I'd say we're good to go for another run. I should have some more clearing videos coming up, and I am looking at getting another different attachment, so we'll see if that comes through, and hopefully have a future video on that. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. J-Bro's out.